After years of cold stares and trade shade, Canada and China have agreed to talk again. So we fired up the microwave of diplomacy.
Put it on high for 30 seconds. The treaty from 2022. The sanctions still smell a little bitter, but hey, I brought chopsticks too. We don't need to call it cozy, just warmed enough to chew. Don't call it trust, call it polite fiction with diplomatic stew. Fire up the diplomatic microwave. Take those frosty trade deals out the cave. Steam the tariffs, glaze the dead. Shake hands hard and try to forget. Put the past on defrost, fake a grin, 'cause foreign policy's mostly spin. You press start, I'll press smile. Let's make this friendship awkward in style. I brought maple syrup, you brought rare earth. Let's pretend it's not about net worth. We'll clink teacups, sign some things while you casually buy our lithium wings. No balloon talk, no spy reveal, just calibrated trade appeal. It's not thought, it's recalibrated. It's not pee, it's complicated. It's not warm, just slightly less frozen. And Carney brought the oven. Crack the door on the microwave door. Diplomacy's cooking kinda lukewarm lore. We don't need to trust, just smile and wave.